Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. New audio of Sbahle talking to Sithelo after Andile dumped her and married Tamia has been leaked, and in the audio, you guys, Sbahle is heard asking Sithelo if she would be fine with still being friends with her, and that she does not like being in the middle of Andile, Tamia, and her. So take a listen to this audio.
Playing all nice. I'm not against anyone, and besides loco ngingeni indaba Andile, so ukuthi useshade umuntu well, who I didn't know about, angazi about you, I didn't know about her. I just got everything. To me, it was a surprise, but and I just had no comfort to call you because ngiyazi ukuthi amacingo ayalalelwa. But aside from yonke into, I just don't know ukuthi where you and I stand, ukuthi how we should continue to go on. So that's why I like to speak to you, to find out how you are, to talk to you, you know, and I know how you are actually, but I just want to speak to you, and also just to know ukuthi mina